Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram post not showing problem. So you might just go to your Instagram and you are not going to find all your posts again, just like this. So let's open it up like this right here. You're just going to see this blank space like this and you'll just be like surprised. Don't worry, you're not alone. So I'm going to show you how to actually fix that. So the first step you have to take is you have to update your app. So you can go to your Apple Store, your Play Store or Samsung Store, then you type in search for Instagram, and if yours has to be updated you will do that and open it up. Then you go back and it's still like that. What you have to do again is you have to uninstall right here. Click on uninstall and install it back. Then you log into your account. So by then it should be solved. But if it still persists after this step, what you have to do, we'll go back to our Instagram right here. You click on this three horizontal line you can see right there. Click on it and scroll down. Click on help right here. You click on help and you click on report a problem right here. Click on report a problem. So right here you are going to type in the problem and you say all my posts aren't showing please fix the problem. Then you can send it. You can also send with a screenshot. So after then Instagram is going to get to you with a solution, or they're going to solve it for you. So that is actually how to fix Instagram post not showing on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.